Just when crypto started to go up, everything started to come back down. Guys, today was a very volatile day so far, and we're just getting started, right? We saw some good price action, and now we're unfortunately seeing things come back down to the downside. Shiba Inu coin is red on the day today, sitting at 833 points per coin. Bitcoin is back down below $90,000, and Ethereum floating right around $3,000 per coin. We're going to be talking about some price action in the video today, but we're going to be going over some Shiba Inu coin price predictions because negative net flows could force another breakdown in December. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I am so glad to be posting on this channel again. It's literally been since the beginning of September since I've been able to post on here, and my goodness, it does feel good to be back. I'm still a little nervous, right? YouTube's AI moderation is out of control. AI is taking over the world, destroying creators on YouTube. And YouTube has recently changed their cryptocurrency policy. Now, with that, what is allowed is general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and digital assets. You can talk about the news, right? It says discussions about tokens that do not violate existing rules against scams or misleading financial advice. Nothing in this video is to be interpreted as financial advice, as a promise, a recommendation, a suggestion, a promotion, or anything. It is simply you and I discussing what is going on in the cryptocurrency space, and more specifically, of course, Shiba Inu coin, and going over the latest news articles. Now, I do feel bad insulting a lot of you guys' intelligence because I'm saying this in every single video, but nonetheless, because of what YouTube is doing, it is a necessity. So do not rely on anything when making financial decisions. As a matter of fact, don't rely on yourself for making financial decisions. YouTube wants you to go out there and contract a financial advisor to help you. So with all that being said, let's jump in and talk about Shiba Inu coin here and whether or not these negative flows are going to force another breakdown in December. It says Shiba Inu coin trades near 842 points per coin. And at the time of recording, 837. So it's right around when they wrote this article. Inside a declining channel with repeated rejections from the EMA cluster. Spot flows remain negative with $1.24 million in outflows, signaling distribution rather than accumulation. And a breakdown below 820 risks a move to 775, while upside needs a breakout above 860. So 820 to 860 is a very tight range, and Shiba Inu coin could very well break down below 820 or break up above 860 on the day today. Started the day around 877, so we were looking pretty good. And of course, right now at 836 here, we are looking not pretty bad, right? I can't even say that Shiba Inu coin looks pretty bad today. It's simply following the overall market. With Bitcoin at 89,000 and Ethereum at 3067 here, it's a very tough day so far, especially for the more speculative assets like Shiba Inu coin and like meme coins. Now it says the trend remains down as key levels flip into resistance. On the daily chart, Shiba Inu coin continues to trade below the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages, and that is a clear sign that the bulls have lost directional control. The cluster between 865 and 934 has repeatedly rejected the price and now acts as an overhead barrier. The channel structure has been orderly, with lower highs forming on each attempt to break out. Now, with that though, right, I can look at this and I can be extremely pessimistic on Shiba Inu coin, but SHIB is not one of these coins that grows from the bottom left to the upper right. Shiba Inu coin has used this current level as a level of consolidation and accumulation before breaking out. It did it in 2021. It did it in 2024. And it is currently doing it right now. Now look, do we have to continue waiting? I have no idea what comes next. But this structure has been seen several times before when it comes to Shiba Inu coin, which is explosive, extremely speculative, but explosive in nature. So I choose to remain optimistic, and with that, I choose to accumulate. Now, one of the places that I'm accumulating is the KCEX exchange, which is what you guys see on the screen right now. You guys got a link for that down in the description below if you want to check it out. Not a recommendation for you to use it or accumulate or anything like that, but I have made my decisions. And of course, if you guys don't know that this place exists, now you do. I also like to hold on the blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. So if you guys want access to the blockchain, you got a link for a free wallet download in the description as well. Go out, use it, see if you like it before you end up using it. The interface is very simple, and of course it does have some additional features. But we need to break through all of this volatility. Prices are declining this morning, but all of the major analysts out there have hinted and have clearly stated that a bottom is in. Only time will tell if they are correct, but right now, Shiba Inu coin, in my opinion, could be in an accumulation phase. However, that's my opinion. What is actually going on right now is that the vast majority are not accumulating. It says spot flow data shows continued selling to pressure. On December 5th, Shiba Inu coin recorded a net outflow of roughly 1.24 million, which obviously shows that people are not accumulating. They're continuing to sell off, which is why we have the decline in price today. So let me know what you guys end up deciding to do down in the comments below. Thank you very much for being here. I am so excited to be back. I'm very grateful, and hopefully YouTube's process is smooth sailing from here. You know what? Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.